single-level living in a great quiet neighborhood. Built in 2011, this 3-bedroom 1.75 bath home is bright and light, and ready for your touches. Private with distant views of green space. Nice flowing floor plan with living, dining and kitchen connected. Huge kitchen pantry, hall and entry closet provide ample storage. The master bedroom has attached 3/4 bath. Level lot with small deck and fully fenced backyard. Backs onto a pond. 2-car garage. Parks and schools within blocks. A must-see, don't delay.